Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to the channel where we break down trading essentials in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're tackling a must-know topic: how to set a stop-loss on Robinhood. If you're new to the stock market, a stop-loss is like your financial safety net. It's an order that automatically sells your stock if its price drops to a certain level, helping you limit losses and protect your portfolio. Why is this important? Well, in the volatile world of trading, emotions can lead to poor decisions, and a stop-loss keeps you disciplined. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Robinhood app installed on your phone and you're logged in. It's user-friendly, but we'll go step by step to avoid any confusion. Start by opening the app and navigating to your portfolio or search for the stock you want to protect. For example, let's say you own shares of Tesla. Tap on the stock to open its details page. Once you're there, look for the Trade button. It's usually prominent at the bottom of the screen. Tap it, and you'll see various order types. This is where the magic happens. Scroll or select the option for Stop Loss. Robinhood might label it as Stop Order or something similar, so keep an eye out. Now, enter the price at which you want the stock to sell. For instance, if you bought a stock at $100 and want to limit your loss to 10%, set the stop loss at $90. Double-check this number because it's crucial. Too high, and you might sell too early; too low, and you could lose more than planned. After setting the price, review your order details. Make sure everything looks good, like the quantity of shares and the order type. Once you're confident, hit Review Order and then Submit. Voila! Your stop loss is now active. Remember, you can always edit or cancel it later if market conditions change. Wrapping this up, setting a stop loss on Robinhood is a smart move for any trader, beginner or pro. It takes just a few minutes but can save you a ton of stress. Always remember, trading involves risks, so never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more trading tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy investing. See you in the next video.